Baka may matapon na lupa eh. Nasa'yo? Ano sabi? Ito yung
Flower!
mas balik na dala.
What are you doing? How about this? It's cold! Cold! There's a dog. Mr. Doggy.
Mahulog ba?
I'm not gonna show it.
Hindi palit, kuya.
Show it! No! To the people. No! It's illegal to show plate numbers.
Talaga, ha? Kala ka ba? Ay, parang nagbalik.
Mami, lote natin yan lahat.
Hindi, ito lang.
Wait, is that a pine cone tree?
Yes, this is a pine tree. So this pine tree,
But where's the fruit?
there's no pine cones. There's no cones. So
But I thought it was a tree.
it is a tree.
But where's the fruit?
Not all trees have fruit.
Ay! Meron ba isang tree na meron fruit?
Ano, parang gray yata na gagawin.
Mommy.
Kaso, naging pababa siya. Kaya hindi siya natuloy. Pwede na daw yan paalis.
Pero hindi ka naman babahain dyan. Ready. Hindi naman ano.
Hindi, yan yung, kumbaga yan yung unang plano na hindi natuloy.
Yung unang project ni Kuya Wish. Ay,
Hindi. Baka mama yung daluyan.
Tapos malaki pa yan. Doon.
Sabi buti nga, bungad lang.
it's cold! It's cold! It's cold! Cold! Hey, yo! Yeah!
Maghanda ka kasi bago na yung sasakyan mo. Si ate
It's cold! It's cold!
may i-break in na naman yun.
It's cold! It's cold! It's cold! It's cold! Oh, lote.
Nadidiliman kami.
It's
Ay,
cold!
nagtago na?
It's cold!
Ano ang bibili mo dito ba?
It's
Baka?
It's cold!
Halika.
Dito ako sa pinakalikod. Dito ako sa pinakalikod, ha? Bye, Tan!
Kulang pa, buko pay pa.
Dude, it's pure dark. It's pure dark. It's pure dark.
Tingnan natin yung lamig.
It's pure dark.
Ooh, nice.
No! Malamig na!
Diba gusto mo nga yan? Uy,
Saan tayo pupunta kila?
chicks, akin na yan, de. Cellphone.
Bye. I just
Ano nga pangalan nun?
showed something.
Dito.
Chicks ni Titos, diba? Titos?
I'm just kidding. I can show you the golf court. I can show you the golf court. Dude, it looks so pretty.
Chicks
Wait.
ni Odit.
No, I cannot show you the golf court. Oh, it's cold. I like it. This one. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. It's so cold. Look at my mom's hair. Look, it's so cold. It's so cold. It's so cold. It's so cold. Ah! I need a blanket.
We don't have a blanket.
I need.
Oh, tama. Doon nga.
I need a blanket.
Bakit naka-open ka ng lights?
Di makakita yung viewers ko eh.
Hindi makakita ng viewers mo.
Yeah. Do you hear the wind? Do y'all hear the wind? The wind! The wind! It's
Ito yata yung parang kainan din. Ano ba kainan din?
Dito na si Papa.
Papa Mia. y'all can just see me. I'm just gonna video. I need a light. We need light, okay? Oh, y'all, this is my space. We just got my cousin's car. I was here, and Tita was here, and he was here. The boy I showed you was my cousin. Is Ethan autistic?
Of course not.
He sounds like one.
Sisters of the convent. Convento.
You don't understand, but
Baka nga
so
may
windy.
Hindi naman yan yung pink sister.
Hindi.
It's so windy. Garden Cafe.
Ito yung sinasabi kong kainan spot. Grabe, ang lamig. It's currently
Mami.
23 degrees
Mami.
po.
Paano po tayo makakapag-plant ng pine cone tree?
I don't know.
Ano yung mga-
22.
22
Yan,
what?
mahogany na yan. Sa kanan, dyan yung papuntang palengke.
Tapos ayan, sa kabila na yung ano, yung main ng Tagaytay.
Yung main road sa kabila.
Ayan yung ano, yung hotel na ano.
Diyan tayo nun eh. Pumasok. Ay, hindi pala. Monticello pala yun.
Oh my gosh, y'all fell. I didn't even know.
Continue on JP Rizal Street for 1 kilometer.
Oh my god. Why didn't y'all tell me? Oh my gosh! Y'all don't understand how cold it is.
Tagaytay.
Sarap!
Y'all don't understand how cold it is. Y'all don't understand how cold it is. Parang nasa Baguio lang.
Parang nasa Baguio lang, babe.
Malapit lang ba to sa Baguio?
Ha?
Malapit
Di
ba
pa,
tayo?
diretso pa. 700 meters.
Malapit ba to sa Baguio?
Yado.
Iban malamig. Malapit ba to sa USA?
Of course, malayo.
Pero onti lapit.
Super layo.
Oo.
So onti nga.
So sa dulo nito yung parang Petron.
Yes. Yung gas station sa kanto. Yun. 400 meters. Basta dyan na, nakahilera na yan dyan.
Hindi naman aircon yun si ano eh, no?
It's cold.
Hindi. Meron siyang Alfres.
Hindi mo naman kailangan ng aircon na din.
Lamig eh.
Ito ba yung
I
mahal?
need a
Yan yung mahal. Yan yung 20,000 yata per square meter. Yan yung una kong tinitignan eh. Ayan, malapit na dyan. Ayun yung may mga naka-hazard. Ayan, cheesy on it. Ayan na.
Destination is on the left.
Dami tao.
Saan
So
ba?
mga isang oras pa tayo makakakain.
Where are they?
Hindi pa sila yan.
Puno yan.
My butt. Don't.
Bago na kayo.
Look at my butt.
Ano, walang makawala na.
Baba na tayo, be. Upo na dito.
Iwan yung drinks natin.
Of course. Kunin mo na yung slippers mo. Baba na.
Paano?
Natanggal na.
Pwede ba ron sa may kanto? Bawal na ron.
Oh my gosh. Mommy, open my door.
Ay, gulay.
Ano? Nahulog.
Hulog, log, log.
Ano na bukas dito? Dude, the red light. The red light is driving me crazy. Because I'm filming.
Galing na.
Galing ah.
Pasumbingit lang, oh. Galing na.
Galing ah. Galing ah. Galing ah.
Oh, pila na, pila na. Pila na, pila na.
Kaya nga galit na galit.
Dapat si Kuya sundin mo yung asawa yung ate. Oo, ako hindi. Yes. 2, 4, 8.
Four tables. I mean 2 tables. Each for 4.
For 8 po.
It's not cold. It's not cold. It's not cold. It's not. Come here. It's not cold. Bro, it's so cold. I swear. It's cold, bro. I'm going to your spot. It's not cold. It's not cold.
Pang 9 pa kayo sa piwas.
Pangilan daw?
Ako din. Ako. Mami. Ako.
Oh, sige.
Look.
Eh, salis ako. 200, okay na yan. Sige, 500 na nga, bago. Ay, tagay lang, taga-sunod tayo. Para doon yung switch na ni Karel. Bakit tayo isip eh? Umalis. Parang siguro nagmapalaki na siya doon, ganito gagawin, tapos di ka sila, mabalis na lang ang ang kotse. Ano talaga ba? Pinapagalitan mo niya si nanay.
Oh, wait lang pagdating nila.
Ako.
Oh, sige, sunod ka na doon. Dali, go.
No.
Punta ka doon kay